Hi and welcome to our tutorial today. This is what we left last time having done, and today I want to introduce us to JavaScript. And so to start us off, we are going to do something simple. We are going to add a button just here under the table. When we click that button, we want an alert to display. Now JavaScript is a scripting language. Basically, it helps you to manipulate your web page from the client side. That is without necessarily sending requests to the server. So everything will just be happening from the client side. We'll understand that as we proceed. So we'll go straight ahead and add a button under this. So our table was ending here, right here. So what we'll do, we'll just come under it and then add a button and then say click here. So if we reload our page, the button is here. We need to do something about that spacing so that at least it's separate from the table. So now the table, maybe we could add, now we can change this margin to be for both top and bottom. So what we'll just do, we can choose to do this. This is one way of doing it, so that we have it there. Another way would be for us to just comment this out and just have it as margin, and then we say 15 pixels. Yeah, so basically what that means is that for this is the y axis and this is the x. If we were to interchange this, for that is now for top and bottom is this 15 and for left and right is this. If we interchange this one so that this one comes before this, see the difference. Now outer becomes the y, and then the left and the right is where we have 15. Yeah, so but we want it to be the other way around, the way I had put it initially. That's why we have it that way. So after doing that, we want to now add our JavaScript code. So we just want to put a simple alert. So what we want to do by using the inline JavaScript, we'll add an event on click and say what we want to do is we want to show an alert, and the content of that alert, or the text the alert will be welcome to JavaScript. We reload our page and click that button, you can see the alert has come here. Now this is the simplest way of showing an alert, but now we want to move straight away and use the inline, the internal JavaScript, like whereby we are going to write a separate script but within the same HTML document, and still use this button to show that alert. So I'll start by first of all removing this. So the way we do it is we write script. Okay, let me do this script. We add that script tag, and as you can see with Sublime Text, it automatically gives you the type as text JavaScript, though that is not very necessary, but it's good. We just want a function, a simple function. We call it show alert. So this is how you create a function. I'll be explaining show alert. So this one is to show that we are creating a function, and this one is the name of the function, and then of course we put this one now. This opening and closing brackets denotes now the function, and then whatever is inside the function is enclosed in curly brackets, those ones. So this and this, so whatever is executed by this function will be found in between these two curly brackets. And here we just want it to show an alert. So that is how we call an alert, and this alert will say welcome to JavaScript. This is that, and then this is how we close it. So it is as simple as that. So this is our script. It starts here and it ends here. You can have as many scripts as possible in the same file, but we will in future tutorials I'll explain why it's important to have them organized, and we'll see how to do that, the best practices for that. So we have our script, but it is not executing yet. If we come to our page and we reload and we try to click that button, nothing is happening, and the reason is we have not yet linked our button to the function. So to link the button, this one, to this function here, we will come here and say we want it to call this function, which is show alert, when you click it. So we say on click is equals to show alert, and then we do that. So what this means is that when this button is clicked, when it is clicked, it looks for this function and it runs it. So let's reload this time round and try to see what happens. So if we click, you can see it is showing our alert. There is an OK button there. If you go to Firefox, the alert is displayed a bit differently. I think it's important to have a look at that. And we run the same page. Of course it's slightly different. When you click here, you can see that the alert in Firefox is shown a bit differently from the one that is shown in Chrome. It's the same thing though. So if I come here, this is how it shows here, but this is how it shows in Firefox. Yeah, so thank you. In the next tutorial we are going to include the JavaScript in a separate file, and yeah, we will proceed from there. Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next